Chinese company Unitree has announced the world's first robot MMA tournament, where robots will fight both humans and other robots. And this Chinese company is hell-bent on replacing human factory workers with humanoid robots. The Chinese military has also unveiled a new robot dog with a mounted weapon. Today, we're going to cover all of that and more. You must have seen this viral video from Unitree Robotics, where a robot fights a human and loses badly. The fight looks really cool. Keep in mind, this fight isn't sped up or AI generated. It's real. They've just released a new video announcing that these robots will be used in MMA-style boxing matches. Here's the video that they released.
The world's first MMA robot tournament, Mech Combat Arena, consists of two parts: exhibition matches and competitive matches. In the exhibition matches, humanoid robots will challenge and showcase human traditional sports combat, with various segments such as solo combat displays and group combat displays. In the competition, 4 teams participate, with operators from various fields controlling humanoid robots in real-time combat.
Now, you might be discouraged seeing that the person here is saying they are actually controlling the robots, but that's not fully true. Controlling a robot is nothing like controlling a toy car where you just press buttons. Toy cars perform simple functions and don't require intelligence or optimization. But in the case of robots, if I have to explain it simply, it's like telling ChatGPT to do something, and it does it. But it is not like that you are telling ChatGPT how to do the mathematical calculations to search the internet to find your answer. Similarly, you tell the robot to kick, and it kicks, but you're not controlling how it kicks. The company that made these small robots also created the Kung Fu robot I'm showing you now. The robots that are going to fight in those arenas are, I believe, smaller versions of the Kung Fu robot made by Unitree. I think the big robots are not controlled by actual human beings. They move and interact with the world automatically. They have built-in AI models like ChatGPT that enable them to interact with their environment. It's really fantastic that we'll get to see these robots fight in an arena in our lifetime. This is straight out of a science fiction movie. What do you think? Would you watch these robot fights in the future? If so, write it in the comments. Now, let's talk about this clip. This video went viral on the internet, showing robots carrying luggage from one point in a factory and placing it on a machine that transports the luggage elsewhere. People online freaked out, thinking these Chinese robots would replace factory workers and take millions of jobs. Although the humanoid robot can do many human tasks, it's still in an early development stage. You can see the packages have no weight, yet the robots move slowly. These robots also cost a lot to make and aren't that useful in factories for now. These robots aren't going to replace human jobs just yet. It'll take like 2 to 3 years for them to become more efficient and powerful, and the production cost will also go down. Basically, after 2 to 3 years, I think these robots will be good enough to handle these tasks better than humans. At that point, I think there will be no factory jobs left for people. Everything will be automated, and I leave it to you to figure out whether that is a good thing or not. Anyway, Tesla just released a dancing video of the Tesla Optimus robot. Keep in mind, this isn't AI generated. If it were, you'd see distortions in the robot's hand and leg movements. The dance style of the robot is really cool, and it's amazing to see the exponential growth of Tesla's robotics. For example, this is the first unveiling of the Optimus robot, and as you can see, it is just a guy in a robot costume, dancing on stage, not even a robot. The best part is that the current Optimus model can dance better than the guy dancing on the stage for the first so-called robot unveiling from Tesla. But the main concerning part here is that even though the Tesla robot is really good at dancing, but it is still nothing compared to this Chinese robot. You might have seen the music video of this Chinese robot dancing. There is a lot more movement coming from it than from Tesla's Optimus model. However, what I really don't like about this Chinese robot music video is that they gave it an axe. The robot might look cool dancing while holding the axe, but it really freaks me out. It feels eerie. Why give a dancing robot an axe, which is a weapon, just for a dance video? I think it might be some kind of threat, like the robot can dance, but it could still hurt you. Or maybe I'm just overthinking it. What do you think? Am I overthinking? Or is it actually some kind of threat? Anyway, let's now look at the Chinese dog robots. There are many types of dog robots in China, but this one really caught my eye. It can navigate different terrains using wheels at high speed and handle uneven roads easily. It can also climb walls up to 80 centimeters, which is absolutely insane. Now, just imagine what happens when you add a gun to a robot dog like this. It becomes a menace on the battlefield. This robot dog can also do a lot of tricks. If it isn't used for military purposes, it could make a really good pet. And if you infuse it with AI models like ChatGPT, it could become smarter than most humans. It's a really cool robot. You might have seen viral videos online showing robot dogs with guns strapped to them. Clearly, these robots are going to be used in war, not just dog robots, but humanoid robots too. But did you notice one thing, that most of the robots that you see on the internet are Chinese robots? So the question arises, are the Chinese beating the Americans in the AI robot race? The answer isn't that simple. The United States has 3 leading robot companies: Figure AI, Boston Dynamics, and Tesla. And believe it or not, the robots from these companies are really advanced. Take Boston Dynamics, for example. Their robot dog can control an object on its back and has artificial intelligence infused in it. Just watch this demo from them.
Greetings, good sirs. May I have the pleasure of knowing your names?
I'm Matt, and that's Vache.
A pleasure to meet you, Matt and Vacha. Shall we commence our journey? The charging stations where Spot robots rest and recharge is our first point of interest. Follow me, gentlemen. Let's proceed to the rock pot.
Hey, Spot, how do you like your job?
Ah, Mr. Matt, my employment as a tour guide provides great satisfaction. I find the dissemination of knowledge rather rewarding, don't you agree?
Boston Dynamics mostly showcases how their robots can be used as pets, assist around the house, fix machinery with their sensory hands, and perform risky tasks where humans might get hurt. They don't promote their robots as machines for violence or war. The same applies to the humanoid robots created by Figure AI. In their demos, they show how these robots can help organize your fridge and assist around the house. While these robots aren't perfect yet, in 2 to 3 years, these robots will be much better and actually useful in the manufacturing processes. You can also imagine how these robots might be used in warfare. It's not that American robot technology is behind China's. In fact, American robotics and AI technology is equal to, or possibly better than, China's. The difference is that American companies don't showcase their robots as weapons. Instead, they highlight how their robots can be helpful to humans. But that doesn't mean these robots can't be used in war. They definitely can. Chinese companies, on the other hand, openly show how their robots can be used in combat. And those videos gain a lot of attention online because content about war and destruction tends to go viral. As a result, people wrongly assume that American companies don't have good robots. In reality, they do. They just choose not to promote their military potential.